Hello the tube. Today we're looking at the black BÖKER Cobra. £6.55. So look at some specs. Sorry for the shaking. Bless you, press pause. The two knives, well, there's one knife, two designs. You let the seller know which one it is, which one you want. The BÖKER or the honeycomb. So you can tell the BÖKER's on the right, honeycomb on the left. Let's get to it. Johnny bag or whatever you call it. Seatbelt cutter, glass smasher, ready, whoosh. Very nice knife. Liner locks it. Flick it in. Yeah, out of the two knives I thought the Cobra looked nicer compared to the honeycomb handle. Clip is really strong. There's a tiny bit of play in the blade, hardly anything, is really nothing. I was wondering if tightening up this bolt would do anything. If it would, please let me know down below. But yeah, £6.55. This knife is gorgeous. Well, I hope you like it. BOKER Plus. It's been a while coming, folks. But she's here now. Another thumbs up from Aliexpress. Cheap ass knives, cheap ass collection. Found my lighter as well. But yeah, everything about this knife is the weight is nice, the flick is nice. The only downfall is this tiny, and I mean really small play in the blade. But out of all the knives so far, it's the only one. Happy days. Thank you very much for looking. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. And subscribe if you want to. Thank you.